Welcome back. In Lesson 8, we mastered the map. Now, in Lesson 9, we define the shape of the travel using real-world examples. Every ticket falls into a specific shape. Is it a straight line, a loop, or is there a gap? Let's break them down. First, the one-way plate. Continuous travel with no return. Example, a passenger flies Karachi to Dubai and the ticket ends there. It doesn't matter if they fly back later on a separate ticket. This specific pricing unit is just Karachi to Dubai, one direction. Next is the round-trip points. This is the most common leisure ticket. You fly out and you return to the same origin. Take Mumbai to London. The passenger stays for a week and flies London back to Mumbai. Origin and destination are the same.
But what if you take a tour? This is a circle trip. Delhi to Bangkok, stopover, Bangkok to Singapore, and Singapore back to Delhi.
Now, the open jaw. This has a gap. Imagine flying Lahore to Jeddah.
You take a bus to Medina. Then you fly Medina to Lahore.
The gap is a surface sector, marked as ARNK, arrival unknown.
But what if there are gaps at both ends? We call this a double open jaw paints. This is very common for business travelers.
You fly Karachi to London, take a train to Paris, then fly Paris to Islamabad. Different origin, different destination.
Finally, the ultimate journey. Round the world noon. This is a circular trip that crosses both the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans.
You must cross all three traffic conferences: Karachi to London, London to New York, New York to Tokyo, and Tokyo back to Karachi.
Let's recap. One way is a line, round trip is a loop, open jaw has a gap, double open jaw has two gaps, RTW circles the globe.
Now that we know the shape of the journey, we need to calculate exactly how long it takes.
Review these examples. Master the journey types. I am Zafar Minhas, and I will see you in the next lesson.
Subscribe now to stay on course. Safe travels.